Hello everyone, my name is Peter Detterline and this is Night Sky Notebook for November 2020. Let's take a look at all the great things that will be happening in the sky this month. We begin by taking a look at the moon phases. Third quarter moon will be on November 8, new moon on the 15th, first quarter on the 21st, and full moon at the end of the month on November 30th. Daylight savings time ends, we're going into standard time, so we're going to be falling back on November 1st at 2 a.m. So make sure you move your clocks back 1 hour. In the sky this month, on November 12th and 13th, we're going to have a grouping of our early morning planets, Mercury and Venus. A great time to see them along with the star Spica and a very thin crescent moon. November 12th, the moon will be closest to Venus, and on November 13th, closest to Mercury. If you've never seen Mercury, now's a great time to check it out. But you are going to need a low horizon. The Leonid meteor showers are coming up November 17 and 18. We always love the Leonids, especially when they would have lots and lots of meteors, but that's not due to happen again until, well, roughly about another 90 years or so. You will see about 12 to 15 meteors per hour, however, and they'll be incredibly fast moving out of Leo. The Taurid meteors peak at the beginning of the month, but there's not that many Taurids to begin with. They're incredibly slow, and you'll still see them around the 17th and 18th of November, roughly about 2 meteors an hour. It's really a beautiful contrast between the fastest meteors and the slowest. Kind of a fun time to get outside, bundle up in a sleeping bag, and take a look at some celestial fireworks. On November 18th and 19th, the moon will be passing by Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter and Saturn are slowly getting closer, and next month in December, that'll be the best. Jupiter and Saturn will be almost right on top of each other. So take a good look at them now. They're going to be low over in the southwest right after sunset, but get ready because they're going to still get closer as we get into next month. By November 25th, the moon catches up with Mars, passing just underneath the red planet. Mars is starting to dim down from its opposition, but you'll be able to see it really well with the telescope still through November and still get detail. And a penumbral lunar eclipse. That's a great way to end the month, full moon on November 30. It starts at 2:32 in the morning. The mid-eclipse is 4:43 and it ends at 6:53. Now this is going to be incredibly subtle. Penumbral lunar eclipses are not the kind of thing you go wow at. But for astronomers, it's really kind of a neat thing to take a look at and to photograph. What you're going to notice is that the southern hemisphere of the moon, the area around Tycho, is going to be slightly brighter around mid-eclipse than the rest of the moon. Binoculars or a small telescope will give you a great view. And that's what's happening in November 2020. For more information, please check out my blog, Night Sky Notebook, at blogspot.com. And until next month, keep looking up.